You're now in beautiful Thailand and you feel like today is really hot day. My skin is getting burned. I feel like I want to drink cold coffee. But how can I order cold coffee in Thai language? Tida, can you tell me? Of course. Let's find out. I'm a Thai language teacher. If you're interested in learning Thai language, feel free to send me a message to this email, Facebook or Instagram. สวัสดีค่ะทุกคนสบายดีไหมคะ In the last episode, we learned about how to order food in Thai language. Can you remember what the words that we had in the last episode? Well, we have two verbs, two conjunction or preposition, and one question word, right? Can you remember what they are? I'm gonna use those words and connect them with this episode as well. And this episode, we're gonna learn how to order drink coffee. Are you ready? Let's go! In this episode, we're still using ow, and then we have two new words. It's adjective. The first one is ร้อน and another one, it's opposite to each other, is เย็น Let's put it in sentence. You now walking confidently to coffee shop because you know I'm gonna nail it. I'm going to order iced latte in a Thai language. Okay, this is how to order iced latte in a Thai language. เอาลาเต้เย็นครับ for male speaker. เอาลาเต้เย็นค่ะ for female speaker. Let me repeat it faster. เอาลาเต้เย็นครับ or เอาลาเต้เย็นค่ะ And as you see, I don't really mention the amount of it at all. When I want just only one, and then you order it like that straight away, barista will know it. And what about if you want to order it as a hot version? You can order it like this. เอาลาเต้ร้อนครับ or เอาลาเต้ร้อนค่ะ In English, you put adjective before noun, right? But in Thai, we put adjective after noun. If you're interested in learning Thai language, feel free to send me a message to this email, Facebook or Instagram. How to say the name of the coffee in Thai language? Can you guess what it is? Let's start from the first one. Espresso, cappuccino, mocha, americano, latte, and the last one, macchiato. Alright, I hope next time when you are in Thailand, you will be able to order drink in a Thai language. Hope you enjoyed this episode and see you next time. สวัสดีค่ะ